Hey there, welcome back to ProTech. Today we're talking about flat tires. Most likely everyone has had to deal with at least one in their life, but most people don't fix them on their own. Here's a video sent to us from Thomas Mulkey that shows you how to repair a flat yourself. Let's see if it inspires you to give it a shot.
Hey folks, it's Tom, your Frugal Prepper. I'm out here in the garage. The wife's got a slow leak on the PT Cruiser, and there's just no tire repair shops here that are open on Sunday. So I'll show you how I do this. Get you some soapy water. I just mix this up a bottle at a time. I take a few good squirts of Dawn dishwashing liquid with some water and this nice little pump sprayer. You can always put it in a bucket and wipe it on with a sponge or something like that too. It works. But I use this also for cleaning up a lot of stuff around the garage. It works great. Dawn works better, I think, than others, but you can use others. Dawn just gets a little foamier. Sometimes you won't see these right away and you have to let them sit a little bit. But you just spray that, around your tire, like so. And then if I don't see it right away, I'll let it sit a few minutes. But you'll see right here, this is going to start foaming up. What you're looking for is not great big bubbles usually, unless it's a great big leak. But you'll see a whole bunch of white foamy stuff. Little fine white foamy bubbles is what you're looking for. And that just keeps growing. And if you watch those bubbles, they'll just keep getting finer and bigger. You see there's a spot right here where there's like a little tiny piece of nail or screw or something in there. Okay, so got my hole marked off there. Right here is what I'm going after, in the middle. And we'll see if we can get this out of here. There we go. And then I'm going to go ahead and get my tire plug kit ready before I pull this out. This is your little tire plug installer tool. We're going to put the plug through there. This is like a big sticky brown rubbery plug. You just pull that through there about halfway like so. And then they make on that same handle a tire rasp tool. I actually ground the handle off of mine. I just put it in this bit in my drill. Go ahead and grab my side cuts and take that out, and see we got air. Don't let it go completely flat while you're messing with it, but it usually won't. Now if you're really gonna leak, now we're gonna stick our plug in here. Gotta keep pushing. Gotta get her in there. You guys still have just a little bit sticking out. Then we're just gonna take and pull this out fast. Hopefully in one good motion. Trim off the excess. And you're good to go. Okay, so now that it's plugged up, what we're going to do is go ahead and I'm going to respray around here with a little soapy water and just let it sit and make sure that there's no more leaks. And then I'll check the pressure and put it back on the car. Alright folks, hopefully that gives you an idea on how to patch a tire. I know you save yourself a little bit of money, and you can do it when there happens to be nobody open to get it done. Neither one of us have to take time off of work to run down there while the place is open or any of that. I can just do it home here on a Sunday. Talk to y'all later. Tom, your Frugal Prepper. Everybody, stay happy and frugal out there.